Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what is blockchain and how does it work. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. For all you probably heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies lately, many financial experts say it's the technology behind crypto you should really be paying attention to. The underlying technology that most cryptocurrencies rely on, which is blockchain, is a transformative technology, says Lul Demisi, president of Ali Invest. And cryptocurrency just happens to be one of those transformations. Some believe blockchain technology has the potential to change nearly every facet of our lives, far beyond crypto's impact on our financial portfolios. Dr. Richard Smith, executive director of the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, a nonprofit organization dedicated to studying recurring patterns throughout economies and cultures, calls it a revolution. Even crypto skeptics see the value in blockchain technology. The real jewel is blockchain, says Chris Chen, CFP of Insight Financial Strategists in Newton, Massachusetts. He believes blockchain is likely to have a lot more staying power than popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which he calls a flash in the pan. Blockchain will continue to change the way that we do things. That all sounds great, but what exactly does it mean? Here's what you need to know about blockchain, and what a blockchain revolution might look like. What is blockchain? Think of a blockchain as a novel, digital form of record-keeping. Blockchain is the underlying technology that many cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, operate on, but its unique way of securely recording and transferring information has broader applications outside of cryptocurrency. A blockchain is a type of distributed ledger. Distributed ledger technology, DLT, allows record-keeping across multiple computers, known as nodes. Any user of the blockchain can be a node, but it takes a lot of computer power to operate. Nodes verify, approve, and store data within the ledger. This is different from traditional record-keeping methods which store data in a central place, such as a computer server. A blockchain organizes information added to the ledger into blocks, or groups of data. Each block can only hold a certain amount of information, so new blocks are continually added to the ledger, forming a chain. Each block has its own unique identifier, a cryptographic hash. The hash not only protects the information within the block from anyone without the required code, but also protects the block's place along the chain by identifying the block that came before it. The cryptographic hash is a set of numbers and letters that can be up to 64 digits long, says Vikas Agarwal, a partner in PwC's financial services advisory practice. That's the unique code that allows the puzzle pieces to fit together. Once information is added to the blockchain and encrypted with a hash, it's permanent and unchangeable. Each node has its own record of the full timeline of data along the blockchain, going back to its start. If someone tampered with or hacked into one computer and manipulated the data for their own gain, it wouldn't alter the information stored by other nodes. The altered record can be easily distinguished and corrected, since it doesn't match the majority. The way that the system works, it's almost impossible for someone to replicate the computing power that happens on the back end to reverse engineer it, and somehow figure out what all those hashes are, Agarwal says. How it works. Here's an example of how blockchain is used to verify and record Bitcoin transactions. A consumer buys Bitcoin. The transaction data is sent across Bitcoin's decentralized network of nodes. Nodes validate the transaction. After approval, the transaction is grouped with other transactions to form a block, which is added to an ever-growing chain of transactions. The completed block is encrypted, and the transaction record is permanent. It cannot be removed or altered on the blockchain. Bitcoin's blockchain is public, which means anyone who owns Bitcoin can view the transaction record. While it can be difficult to trace the identity behind an account, the record shows which accounts are transacting on the blockchain. Public blockchains also allow any user with the required computer power to participate in approving and recording transactions onto the blockchain as a node. But not all blockchains are public. Blockchains can be designed as private ledgers, so an owner is able to limit who can make changes or additions to the blockchain. While the pool of participants may be smaller on a private blockchain, it's still decentralized among those who participate. Private blockchains maintain the security of any data stored within the database using the same encryption methods. The idea of a secure, decentralized permanent record of information has drawn interest across a number of industries, and potentially holds solutions for many security concerns, record-keeping processes, and data ownership issues we face today. Thanks for watching.